Person on your mind, what do you need to know about this person? Sino man tong person on your mind? Ten of Cups, pwedeng Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Kung ano to kung kakonect mo karelasyon mo, feeling ko lang pwedeng hindi mo siya makatuluyan or pwedeng this is an indication na hindi pa siya ready na mag-settle down to have family or get married with you. Pwede rin naman na this is a sign na pwedeng hindi siya happy sa relationship ninyo or pwedeng naghahanap siya ng security and pwedeng nafe-feel niya na hindi siya secured or hindi siya secured sa iyo or hindi secured yung relationship ninyo. Ngayon, kung nagkaroon man, pwedeng this is a sign also na nagkakaproblema sa family, sa relationship, sa partnership. Pwede itong sign ng pagkakawatak-watak, paghihiwalay, at kung nag-expect ka ng comeback, pwedeng hindi pa maaayos yung relationship, pwedeng hindi pa babalik, or pwedeng mahirap i-rebuild yung nasirang samahan, family or relationship.